They are my students of class 9. I hope that you are keeping well by the grace of Almighty Allah. We know that the second wave of coronavirus is running in our country, especially the borders areas. The border areas are seriously affected. The number of died people is increasing day by day. So we must abide by the rules of health. Now I am going to start our new online class in English. Class 9, subject English, first paper, unit number 5, lesson number 1, the greed of the mighty rivers. Find out page number 56. Here is a picture. Can you guess the picture? Just your imagination. Your answer may be, in the picture I can see a little heart. Then read the following text and answer the question. Meher Jan lives in a slum on the Shirazganj town protection embankment. Her polythene roof shelter looks like a cage. She is nearly 45 but looks more than her age. In front of her shelter, she is trying to make a fire to cook the dash on the meal. Her weak hands tremble as she adds some fallen leaves and a straw to the fire. The whispering wind from the river Jamuna makes the fire unsteady. The dancing flames remind Meher of the turmoil in her life. The same way, you will read the passage well. After reading the passage, you will learn many words or words meaning or vocabulary words. Here are some words on the board. Words, Bangla meanings: root, আচ্ছাদিত, turmoil, অশান্তি, consume, গ্রাস করা, shatter, চূর্ণ বিচূর্ণ করা, threaten, হুমকি দেওয়া. Vocabulary words, synonyms: tremble, synonyms: shake, shiver, erosion, decay, corrosion, flame, blaze, fire, remind, recall, retain, adapt, adjust, inner. If you want to know many words, you will read the text well. After reading the text, you will try to give the answer. Question number B. For each phrase below, choose the meaning that is closest to the meaning used in the text above. Number 1, in a paragraph 3, mighty rivers mean. There are 4 options for the question. Number A, rivers that have huge volumes of water and very strong currents. Number B, rivers having many rowing boats in them. Number C, rivers that make people cry out. Number D, rivers that have strong bands. You will choose the correct answer. Question number A, correct answer A. I am writing the correct answer on the board. Number A, rivers that have huge volumes of water and very strong currents. Question number B, landed property. There are 4 options A, B, C and D. Correct answer is D. Correct answer is C. Correct answer C. Property in the form of a source of income to its owner. Number 3, whispering wind. Same option. Correct answer B. Flames. Correct answer B. Wind that blows. Wind that blows with a hissing sound. Number 4, dancing flames. Correct answer C. Flames that are made unstable by the blast of air I hope that you have understood about the answer. Number C. Here are some questions. Question number A. What does Meherjan use to make fire for cooking her meats? Number B. What do you know about Meherjan's family? In which season is river erosion most likely to occur? Number E. Why is the phrase greedy Jamuna used to describe the river? What greed do you notice in the description? I hope that you will give the correct answer after reading the text. Number D. Complete the summary of Meherjan's life with words phrase from the box. Meherjan is a typical number 1. Correct answer, homeless. Homeless woman who lives in a slum. She lost her shelter and properties. Number 2, correct answer, due to the erosion of the river Jamuna. She also lost her family. Her husband had died of disease caused by poverty. And number 3, correct answer, shortage of food. In the same way, you will give the correct answer. The rest of the gaps. Last question, number E. Debate, form 2 groups of 3 or 4. Decide which group will speak for against the motion given below. In your group, first discuss and note down 5 or 6 points to support oppose the motion. Then select the speakers from each group to start the debate. You will try about this. This class is over. Allah Hafiz.